Hey y'all, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Oaks and Company. I'm so excited to have y'all today. Today is part 2 of my kitchen renovation. I'm painting the cabinets today. I just want to say up front and in advance that this is not a tutorial on how to paint your kitchen cabinets. I had never painted cabinets before, and it was a very long process that took about a week to do. And every time I think, oh, I'm done, I would find like another spot that needed another touch up. And it took 3 coats of paint. I did get some paint off of Amazon called Nuvo cabinet paint, and it looks really good and it worked well. My husband did not care for it too much because he thought it needed to be a little bit thicker, but then after it got on and the paint settled and everything and cured, then he likes it. He says it looks good. But it did take 3 coats of paint. I ran out of paint and had to order another can. So that's why you see so many outfit changes and that kind of thing. So like I said, it took quite a while to paint these cabinets, and there are several steps that I've cut out because it was just so much footage and I was trying to cram it all into 15 or 20 minutes. So if you think I didn't do a step, I probably did. You're probably just not seeing it on here. Make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Make sure that you hit that like button so that YouTube will put my video into the algorithm better. The more likes you have, the more they put it out. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed watching the transformation of my kitchen cabinets. I'm just loving them. My kitchen feels so much cleaner and brighter and just amazing, really. I hated that brown cabinet, and I'm so excited to get them changed over to a really pretty creamy white. I hope that this gives you some much needed motivation to get up and check some things off of your to-do list that you've been wanting to do. Remember, the things that we are doing does not have to be perfect, just as long as we're making progress in the things that we're wanting to accomplish. I hope y'all have a great week, and if you're not, make sure that you comment below, and I will be glad to pray for you this week. See y'all next time. Bye.